see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
What's good? So you may start off that one with just straight positive, you know. So get up about between yesterday and today. Day before yesterday and today, and it's like, you know, me just want to say it like in a life we are really really have to give thanks, you know what I mean, because it's a life mess up, you know. And some people that say I world, but that's what I always say, nothing wrong with the world, you see me. I just see people, let me see pray, and I want to chop that one a base off both people and how things really set, you get me? Because sometimes I look upon life and you say, oh, like, look where you're there in a life, and like nothing not change for you in one way, but deep down the change is still there, but you see the environment and the surrounding where they're on, it can like it hard for you even move, because when you want to make a move, it's like other people around you, like it's hard for you get up and left around the people where you're there around long time, you get me? And I grew up, me always hear people I say, oh, like, man rich and switch, or man get rich and then throw stone back on man. But deep down some of the time, I don't really throw people's throw stone behind them. Yo, it may sound mess up, but when you look into it, yo, and I dash people that stone back at them, you know. It's just that when you plan to make a move, nobody else know how to make the move. You get me? And when you make the move and things start going, you're not going to go back. That's so. Go sit down back again, because what you think go happen when you go back there, so go sit down back. Yeah, get draw back in the same position where you're in. So that's why enough people, well, me get to realize, say, yo, based on what, so certain things I'm learn is come, it just come like, say, what certain things, what people used to tell you when you're a boy, is like, I opposite a life. You get me? Which is just saying as a boy, like, you grow up, them and say, yo, don't love nobody, or you never go, like, basically them say not fall in love. You get me? And when you grow up and realize, say, oh, what's some man when they tell you, say, because you realize, say, you find somebody who are 100 are genuine as you, why you wouldn't want to love the person, you see me, or start something with the person. So the like the mentality or you learn, or what would I say, the knowledge what you get from your surrounding as a boy or grow up, I at the opposite at the opposite of how life really stay. You get what I say? Because just for the same thing as I say with money, you start make money in a life and people expect, say, you have to come back and sit down a certain place, or come back and drink and lay out, and you get me? And if you continue to do that day over again, like on the same levels where you end up on before, you're not gonna have nothing. You see me? So that's why I know when time me some people say some man rich and switch, it's like me I look on here and say, why you just say a man rich and switch? Is it because you know they're on again, or you know do certain things one used to do? That's why, you get me? But I just some things some of the time you jump up and you just think about something like, you say, oh, you know, like, you know, but then say a life.
Go jump. Careful, careful. Ooh.
Skidabang! So, just coming off on juggling. Come and set it, mama.
Huh?
Just coming off on juggling and reach home. Yeah? Oops, I reaching, so just reaching and nothing tough and I'm going for you. Check out my liquor, flat up, me get. So for now, what I'm gonna do is we just go on a little walk because since we come home, now a daycare for a week, you know. And yesterday me go out see me on a little thing and come in back again. But when I come in, I lost sleep. So I say, you know what? Like I'm come in anytime early. Why me and I just go take a stroll? Yeah. Yeah. Helmet. Look. Tell them what it is.
A helmet.
What is this?
Helmet.
Woohoo!
Yeah, a helmet.
Oh my.
You want me to sound like that?
Yeah.
So yo guys, tell me how I was just telling Ziggy the other day that I need. What are you doing, Nella?
Eating pasta.
Okay, lay here. I was just telling him that I need to pick 2 days out of the week to upload my vlogs because that is the only way I can. The only way I can be consistent right now because uploading every other day or whatever I was doing before is just not gonna work. So yeah, I need to figure that out. I think what I'm gonna do is upload like Tuesday and Sundays. Ziggy, Tuesday and Sundays or Tuesday and Saturdays? Okay, Tuesdays and no, that's such a big gap. I think I'm gonna do Tuesdays and Saturday. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Tuesday and Saturday. Hopefully that works out in my favor. This is my life, literally. If it's not Nyla, it's Ziggy. Oh, you're up on my back, girl. So y'all, I got Nyla a scooter and it's literally the cutest thing ever. I was so scared at first because I'm like, she's only 2, she's not gonna be able to know how to ride the scooter. This girl's like a little pro. Mama, you like your scooter?
Huh?
You like your scooter?
Yeah.
Yeah? But you have a helmet too?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to catch a footage when she's riding it because it's the cutest thing ever. I got her like her helmet, even though the helmet's like bigger than her head. And I got it off Amazon and it's cute, like it lights up and so it has a scooter part and then it also has like a seat part. She loves it. Her and Lyra literally they ride their scooter in the house. Especially because the weather is just so garbage right now. I don't know what's up with Canada's weather, but it's bad. Like usually May is like, you know, warm, but it's not that good. Plus we're still on lockdown and I think they're pushing the lockdown to even a later day, which really sucks. It's so depressing, man. Like you cannot do normal stuff that you were doing before. Like even right now, we went to Walmart the other day. We went to get the girls rain boots. We couldn't even get rain boots. But technically you can, because if you go to Walmart, you can just go to self-checkout. But it was just so annoying to see certain stuff blocked off, like the toys. Just stuff to keep the kids entertained. Like it's just highly annoying. Like you gotta order. Then I noticed now when you're trying to order stuff, it's not really next day shipping anymore. It's not as fast as it once was. It's like days later, but whatever, it is what it is, I guess. Another thing is people have been messaging me about this vaccine, like if I've gotten my vaccine and all this stuff, but I'm not gonna answer that question. But my best advice is that if you're thinking to get the vaccine, number 1, don't listen to what other people are gonna say. Number 2, do your own research, and don't go off what people say as well. Yeah, those are my 2 advice still. If you're gonna take it, take it. If you're not gonna take it, that's fine as well. But yeah, for some, you guys hear this child? What? She does this on purpose. But anyways, I'm gonna leave it right there. Banana, please. Good girl.
Please, mommy.
Good girl.
Please, mommy.
Are you gonna eat it? I don't think I'm gonna take half of it to put in my protein shake because I don't think you're gonna eat all of it. Please.
Please.
Okay. You want the skin or you don't want the skin? Take it out.
Yeah.
Here. It's Shauna, but what is that? Show the people in my ear, girl. I thought you said you were gonna straighten it.
I don't want none.
You eat it. You said you want this girl, man.
What you say? Huh? Hello? So nobody now go get the
Looking like a MILF. I'm actually putting protein powder. You want some?
So what? I can't get protein because I'm bigger than your brain.
I never said
That's
that.
what you thought.
This girl always makes some comments, guys. It literally makes you feel so bad.
Ziggy? Uncle Ziggy!
You like your banana? Yeah. Protein shake, protein powder literally reminds me of baby formula. Now, baby, I'm gonna put some frozen fruits in there. Literally just using some random frozen fruit. I think this one has, yeah, this is like 4 different berries. And I added some coconut water flavor.
Mommy.
Actually, it's my first time trying coconut water in it. This?
Yeah.
You're not gonna like this, Nyla. You ain't gonna like it. You're not gonna like it. And just like that, we are all done. Y'all need to take in how my hair has grown so much. My hair is growing so much. Okay, this is mid-back. Mid-back. And right now I'm debating if I should cut my hair or if I should just let it grow. But this is the reason why I always cut my hair, because let me show you. As my hair grows, the shape that it once had grows out and it just gets long and it just gets boring. So this is, you see, I don't have like a fluff shape. Then as my hair gets longer, it just drops. Like, look at this, it just drops. When my hair is shorter, there's more volume. So now I'm debating, I'm like, should I just let my hair grow or should I just cut it? But then, yo, I see my girl Natural Nisi's hair and I'm like, yo, I don't want to cut my hair. Like, I miss my hair being that long. Every time I see her post her hair straightened, I miss my hair. So I think I'm actually gonna try to grow my hair and we'll see how long that lasts. I don't know if I'm gonna get bored quick, but we'll see what happens. And yo, I want to send a big shout out to everyone that I'm meeting at work. I literally said I was not gonna post where I work, you know, just for privacy purposes, but I realized that I literally cannot hide. Shout out to everyone that I've met over the past couple of weeks, months at my workplace. And yo, shout out to you guys for even coming up to me and saying hi. Shout out to you guys for even recognizing me, because yo, I don't know. I literally can't hide. But yeah, big up your guys' self. I love the support. I love when you guys aren't shy to come say hi. So shout out to you guys. Taste it. Taste it.
No.
Taste it.
Yeah. I want the ice cream. I'll eat it.
You eat it.
You ever they eat?
The ice cream.
What's up?
What's up? Come, I took out some chicken. You make some fried chicken now?
Not now.
Why you mean not now? Look at the timing.
Bro, man.
No, Mom. Me.
Yo,
No,
walk. Yeah, can I make it?
Yeah, I'm about to make some.
Now walk over and ball for you. Salute. I'm not telling you. Dutch kind they got $1. $1 I'm gonna make money, a joke. Yo, they call it Dogecoin. A whole heap of people in a cryptocurrency and then but we're not in United States, but we just try to jump on anything what can happen, you know?
Yeah, gambling, literally.
No, it's not gambling.
Seem like gambling to
Well,
me.
now if you go up and I go close out and take out the profit out of it, so.
I I should have took my profit out already.
When? I ain't make no profit.
I made $30 profit and I should have took it out.
When you make $30
How much
profit?
did we put? 100 or 150?
Then you make $30 profit.
Did we put 100 or 150?
150 you put.
Yeah, and then one day it went up to 180 something. I could have took out my $30 profit.
So you can eat the quality.
I don't know.
Anyway, family, me there. I go over the bar field just to go chill a little bit. And you don't know anything come down. Bullet up, big up on yourself. Good night. Bye. Bye.
Hi. Hi.
Talk to your family now.
I am McDonald's.
Sing McDonald's. Oh, McDonald's farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm he had a
Two.
cow.
No.
E-I.
No.
Chicken.
No.
What?
That.
Careful.
It's I think what do?
He had a dog.
You do.
Dog. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there. Here a there a everywhere a roof. Oh, McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I.
What's Daddy?
What is that?
It's Daddy.
Yeah.
I wonder Baba was
Be careful. Okay, say
the
yeah. Good girl. Cat. This girl. Bonjour, je m'appelle.
Yeah.
Je m'appelle.
Mommy.
Good girl.
What's Daddy?
Where's Daddy? Okay, count for them. Say 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Say welcome back to my channel. Say today we are coloring. You're funny.
It's funny.
No, you're funny.
It's funny.
You're so funny.
Yeah.
Are you happy or are you sad? Are you happy?
No, you said.
You're sad?
Yeah.
Oh no! Are you sad? Oh, do you want a hug and you'll be happy? Okay, hug. Okay, you're supposed to be happy now. Happy! Yay! Huh?
Said.
You're sad? Happy! Yay!
You're happy.
Yay!
You're happy?
Yeah.
Oh, you said.
Are you happy?
Yeah, you're happy.
Are you sad? Show me sad face. Show me sad. That's sad face? Let me see your happy face. Let me see angry. You're funny. You're sad? Are you happy now?
Five people. What is it? You said?
You sad?
Yeah.
You happy?
Said?
Sad?
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay. Didn't I buy you a book?
My book.
Where's your book?
Huh?
Where's your book?
It's done.
We'll do this.
Huh? Oh, okay.
You like this?
I want it.
You want it?
Oh, I have to
Okay, let me move it.
woman.
Zio, this is actually Nyla's her favorite book. Every time I pull it out, she gets so happy. But yo, big up to Mitty, aka she's from the Hastings family. Can I show them, Nyla?
Huh?
So she actually made this book. I love this book. This is a really good interactive and learning book. I featured it before in my vlog. If you guys are interested, reach out to her. Let her know the newbie fam sent you guys. Really love this book. Nyla absolutely loves it. And since I'm going to be cooking, I can keep her busy. I can keep her busy and know exactly what she's doing. That's another reason why I love this book.
No. Ears.
Ears, good girl.
And then nose.
Nose, good girl.
And then eyes.
Good girl, mama.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Part of her eye. Here it is.
Eyes.
Yeah.
And drink.
Dog's hungry. Dog's hungry. What color is that?
With eyes.
Good girl.
That? Yeah.
Yeah.
Red.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Good girl.
Red.
Blue.
Blue.
Good girl.
And green.
Green. Yeah, good girl.
Green.
Yeah.
And the daddy.
Yeah. What color is that?
It's red.
Good girl. Come here, fried chicken. So, dinner is done. Fried chicken and we're ready. Yes, I made this.
You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you. You're we alone. Been through the storm.